Hello, and welcome to my channel and my kitchen. So, what are we making today, friends? We're making stuffed collard greens. Lots of them. Why am I making them? I'm going to put them in the freezer. Summer's coming. As summer approaches, collard greens are available, but they're not fresh. We usually eat this vegetable in the winter, in the Black Sea region. In the summer, these leaves get tough. They get tough. And we can't eat them. So, I'm going to make a lot of collard green rolls. And I'll put them in my freezer, so that when we crave them in the summer, we can make our collard green rolls and cook and eat them. See, I've started cleaning them here. I picked a lot of collard greens from my garden. I'm cleaning them. I'll break off the leaves and check them front and back. Then wash them with plenty of water. And then we'll move on to blanching. I highly recommend you do this too. If you love collard greens as much as I do, right now is the time to roll them up. Freeze them and enjoy your collard green rolls all summer long. Now, after breaking off the leafy parts, let's bundle our collard greens like this. Let's bundle them up and get them ready for blanching. We're boiling water in a suitable pot. We're dipping the collard green leaves into the boiling water. And just like this, for a minute and a half, no more. We let them sit in the boiling water. If you let them sit too long, the leaves will get overcooked, and it will be difficult when you roll them. Don't leave them too long. And don't overcrowd the pot. See, this much is enough. So about a minute and a half, no more. We'll let these leaves sit in the water for about a minute and a half, no more. And then I'll take them right out. I'm taking the collard greens out of the water into another bowl, and I'll add cold water to shock them so they don't lose their vibrant green color. We'll shock the collard greens so they retain their greenness. Let's wait for the water to boil again so we can put the new collard greens in the pot. Once the water boils, let's add the new ones to the pot. See, after a short while, the water started boiling. I'm adding my collard greens to the water again, in the same way, blanching them all like this. I'm blanching them. I've taken the blanched collard greens and put them into cold water. After letting them sit in the cold water for 1-2 minutes, I'm transferring them to a colander. And I'll make sure all the excess water drains out nicely. Now, we're preparing the filling for our rolls. I'm adding 2 cups of rice to this bowl and 1 cup of bulgur. And I'll wash this thoroughly with plenty of water. Let's wash it 2-3 times. On top of the washed bulgur, I'm adding 2 chopped onions. And I'm adding them. I'm adding half a bunch of parsley. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pepper paste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. As you might have noticed, I tend to use less salt in my cooking, since the pepper paste might be salty, and I use homemade paste. That's why I add less salt. Of course, I'll leave the salt to you. You can adjust it according to your taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of mint. You know how mint can stick. And about a teaspoon of black pepper, not too much, just enough. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper, not too much, just enough. And then I'm adding 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I'll add more oil if needed. And now, let's mix everything well. I've started mixing it with my hands, and the delicious aromas are filling the air. If you stumbled upon this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you also give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, you'll help my channel grow even more. Friends, you'll help me reach a larger audience thanks to you. Thank you all in advance. And I've kneaded the filling nicely. Yes, our filling is ready like this. All right, I've started rolling my stuffed greens. After laying the leaf on my table, I'm pressing down on the vein in the middle with my thumb. See, I'm pressing down on it. And I'm flattening this vein. If you're using large collard green leaves, if your leaves are big, you can tear them in half. And prepare your stuffed collard greens that way. Since my leaves are small, I won't tear them. Let me show you how. I'll bring it closer to the camera. Press down on this part with your thumb. It will flatten, and there won't be any issues. Since we're using raw filling, I'm taking just a small amount with my thumb. I'm taking a small amount. The rice will swell inside the rolls. It will expand. Keeping that in mind, let's not put too much. Since I like a lot of greens, I didn't feel the need to tear the leaves. If you want them smaller, if you want your rolls to be smaller, you can tear the leaves in half. And prepare these rolls that way. Folding in both sides like this. I'm starting to roll my stuffed greens. This one is a bit small. I'll add just a tiny bit more. I'm rolling them like cigar borek. You can roll them like this too. See, it's more practical. As I mentioned, I'll be putting these in the freezer. When we crave collard green rolls in the summer, we won't be able to find collard greens, of course. They're not available in the summer. They're tough, they're hard, they don't cook well. So I'll take them out and cook them. And I'll cook some of them right now. And however many bags are left, I'll put them in the freezer. I'll continue rolling more like this. I already have 2 bags in my freezer. I rolled and put them in there before. I was thinking of putting these in the freezer too. But then I thought, why not share this idea? I should make a video. I'll share this with my dear followers too. Perhaps there are others who, like me, really love collard green rolls in the summer. They crave them in the summer too. You can make them with white cabbage the same way. Friends, you can also mix them. Roll and cook collard greens and white cabbage together. It's truly delicious. I recommend you try it that way. You can also roll white cabbage separately like this and put it in the freezer. All right, I'll roll my stuffed greens and be right back.